This is the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. In this video, we're going to find out what it is and where it comes from. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Circle theorems are sets of rules that describe the relationships between angles, lines, and arcs within a circle. They provide a framework for understanding geometric properties within circles and are useful for solving problems involving circles. The circle theorem we're going to investigate here is called the Cyclic Quadrilateral Theorem. The theorem is illustrated in this diagram, where the vertices A, B, C, and D on the circumference of the circle form a closed quadrilateral. The theorem states that the sum of the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. In other words, the pairs of angles that are opposite each other add up to 180 degrees. In this diagram, the angles formed at the vertices A and B have a sum of 180 degrees. And the angles formed at the vertices C and D also have a sum of 180 degrees. In this video, we'll show why this is the case. But before we go any further, let's define three terms. A quadrilateral is a closed, four-sided polygon. A cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon inscribed inside the circle. And vertices are points where the sides of shapes meet, often referred to as corners. Now let's look at one important angle fact you may already know that we need in order to be able to prove the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. This diagram shows that the angle made at the center of a circle is twice the size of the angle made at the circumference when they originate from the same 2 points, A and C. In the context of our diagram, that means angle AOC is twice as large as angle ABC. A radius drawn from point A to the center O and a second line drawn from the center to point B creates a pair of angles around the center of our circle. We're going to label angle ACB with the letter X. And that means that the obtuse angle AOB is equal to 2x, given that an angle made at the center of a circle is twice the size of the angle made at the circumference when they originate from the same 2 points. We're also going to label angle ADB with the letter Y. And that means that the reflex angle AOB is equal to 2Y. The angles around a point have a sum of 360 degrees. The angles at the centre of our circle, 2x and 2y, therefore have a sum of 360 degrees. So we can write that down as 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degrees. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2 gives us x plus y equal to 180 degrees. So x and y have a sum of 180 degrees. And that's the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.